let's talk about some services. I always say that a great inspection is the hallmark of any great auto service facility. And when you have an inspection that works, it's incredible. And I'm not talking about any arm twisting. I'm talking about doing a digital inspection with great pictures and showing the customer, telling the customer it's going to come to them and sending it to them. And I'm being so conservative here that, if you sold $100 on every inspection, and it's just low-hanging fruit, and the gross profit on that would be $60, okay? And that is being so conservative. Shops that do inspections usually have an average ticket of $400 to $500, and you'll get the mechanical service by doing a proper inspection, letting the customer know that you're going to inspect the car, and send the report to the customer, and then follow up with them. That's number one. Number two is alignment, okay? Hunter Alignment, which is the number one manufacturer out there of alignment equipment, say that 60% of the vehicles on the road today could benefit from an alignment. So here's my thought. When you put a set of tires on, invest in the equipment to be able to do the quick check system so that you're checking the alignment on every vehicle that you sold tires to. We started doing that at my shop. And when we did it, it was incredible how many alignments we sold, number one. And number two, how little comeback we had on the tires. We used to get a high comeback on, the tires wore out too fast. We had a regular wear, the tires became noisy. Anybody who sold tires knows that's a reality with the tires. When you do the alignment, it changes the game. And the customers don't have those same problems. And what you're telling the customer when you do this, these extra services, and I'm going to give one more service. When you talk about doing these services, you're telling the customer that you're much more than just a tire store. If you're just a tire store, they're going to see you once every 4 years. If you're a full service mechanical repair shop, they're going to see you probably twice a year. And the reality is you want to convince that customer that you are a full service mechanical repair shop. And this is the way to do it, by turning around and starting to demonstrate these services that you're part of it and demonstrating how well you do them. The final area, and this is low-hanging fruit, okay? This is money that can be made so easy, and that is to sell an extended warranty. And you can sell it anywhere from $10 to $20. You can have graduated levels. I've just put down $80 here. The reality is a lot of people give this extended warranty to a third party, which is absolute craziness, okay? Don't buy this from a third party company. Do it in-house, okay? Because you'll find that your redemption level is so low. And we're going to talk in
how
a few
low
minutes.
Usually, Alan? How low? Lower than 10%? Higher than 10%?
3 to 5%.
Okay.
And it's newfound money. It really is. And then if the customer has any problem and you talked about an extended warranty and they declined it, they're not mad at you. However, if they've had a tire problem, they hit a curb and they come back and talk to you and you've never talked about an extended warranty, you might end up eating that tire. Okay?
You probably are, aren't you? You probably are effectively freely warranting it anyway.
That's right. So why not have an extended warranty that you can have a pool of money that you can sell this for? This is absolutely low-hanging fruit, and we're going to do. You're going to see a couple of role plays in a few minutes, and you're going to see a strategy in how to sell this extended warranty that absolutely works. So let's say you implemented. Go ahead.
Quick question. On the digital inspection, are you actually charging for the diag work, or are you selling additional services on top?
You'll sell.
Or both?
No, I'm not a fan of
Okay.
That's a great question. I'm not a fan of selling the inspection. My experience tells me that shops that sell their courtesy inspection or the 360 inspection, whatever you want to call it, they don't do as many inspections as the shops that charge for it. The shops that charge for it don't sell as many inspections.
Got it.
I think it should be a courtesy and it should be a no
Yeah.
charge inspection.
Well, that way you won't cover more work and you can get to all that other stuff. That makes sense.
That's right, exactly. So let's say you implemented all these three things and you were able to do these things on a regular basis with every sale. That would be an additional 222. So maybe it's a little high to say do it on everyone, but that's what the potential is. Simple. The reality is if you do the digital inspection properly, chances are you'll make a lot more than that.